Let's go, Montigi!
So happy I was able to finish the Aquathon series, my first but definitely not my last. I have been swimming way before I even got married. Pero ewan ko, just recently, parang hinahanap-hanap na ng katawan ko yung tubig. Jezebel ka ba, girl?
Kung sirena.
Good thing may lapol na sobrang lapit sa work ko, as in isang tumbling lang. Kaya naman nung nagkasubuan sa Aquathlon, pinush ko na. Totoo yung chismis, kapag hindi pinaplano, mas natutuloy.
Let's go.
Everything about this was unplanned. One random visit lang sa Paceline Cycling Hub sa Alabang after our 10K run, ayun, biglang may 20% off sa registration ng Super Series. Makakahindi ka ba sa promo? Syempre hindi. I signed up kahit wala akong solid na ensayo. Pero sa dami ng kailangan gawin sa work at sa 3 bata na kailangan kong alagaan, I just squeezed in what I could. A few laps here and there, konting tiwala sa sarili, and a whole lot of faith na hindi ako pupulikatin sa race.
Last 3 kilometers.
And race day came, and I just told myself, enjoy mo lang. Don't chase the pace, just finish. And I did. Because I wanted to prove something, na hindi hadlang ang pagiging nanay at pagkakaroon ng full-time job para makamit yung mga ganitong klase ng goals. Hindi man ako yung pinakamabilis, pero ang mahalaga, natapos ko. And malaking tulong din talaga yung friends at lalo na yung asawa ko na todo cheer at todo tiwala na kaya ko. Minsan yun lang talaga yung kailangan mo. Isang boses na magsasabing, kaya mo yan. And maybe that's the point. It's not about being the fastest, it's about showing up kahit pagod ka. It's about doing something for yourself kahit ang dami mong iniintindi. It's about reminding yourself, kaya mo yan. Because when you cross that finish line, you just don't finish the race. You finish every doubt you've ever had about yourself. So kung medyo pinanghihinaan ka ng loob ngayon, remember this. You are stronger than your excuses. Your dreams don't expire just because you became a mom. And it's never too late to start. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin, magsimula. This is not just about fitness. It's about faith in yourself. Minsan kailangan mong tumalon para maalala mo, marunong ka palang lumangoy. So paano? See you sa next race!